Hi friends, I get asked all the time about how I pack when I travel, and because we are taking our first RV trip, I thought it'd be a good opportunity to show you exactly how I get things ready and to share some of my tips with you. One of the first things I like to do is make a packing list. This time I used the Notes app on my phone and added to the list anytime I thought about the unique things we would want to have with us while on the road. Since we aren't really into camping, I had to reframe my thinking about what we would need to enjoy our time while bringing some of the comforts of home. You could, of course, make a list on paper and even include it in your traveler's notebook or your journal. As you probably already know, I'm usually a very light packer. I like to only include the essentials. When it comes to crafting, I like to have things I'm going to need for my projects while on the road. I was able to bring more of my supplies and special items from home, like scissors, markers, even my full-size paper trimmer, since we can take more than just what fits in a suitcase. We can't leave without bringing toys and games for the road trip, and I used travels as an excuse to get a few new things for Jack to get him excited and keep his interest. I'm opting for things that are lightweight, compact, and of course, lots of fun. He loves these magic pen painting kits, so I thought I'd get him a new one. This washi tape activity book was perfect. A magnetic playset is key for a road trip. The scavenger hunt for kids looked fun. A travel spirograph, Tic Tac Toe, and of course, glow sticks. How cute is this little magnetic playset by Petite Collage? It's adorable and the pieces are perfect. He will love it. For clothing, I'm going to make sure Jack has a few of his favorites and some basic items of clothing to hold him over for the trip. I always check the weather in advance and bring layers. I have his things divided into categories: shirts, underwear, socks, and pants, definitely a hoodie too. Something new I've been trying is using packing cubes to help maximize space while still keeping everything super organized. The one thing you need to remember is to avoid clothing that wrinkles easily, and keep in mind comfort is key. Sometimes I roll the clothes and sometimes I fold them. This time I folded because we have plenty of space and we are going to be able to fit everything neatly into these cubes. Having everything laid out on the bed helps me visualize and reassess if we're taking enough for the trip. Smaller things like socks and underwear can fill in the little spaces in between your luggage. I've also combined JC's toiletries with my own in here. Through the years, whether you're traveling with your family or solo, I have learned that the most important thing to pack is something that doesn't fit into a bag, and that's patience. Travel can be stressful, so I try to maintain a good mindset and be adaptable. It's nice to have the perfect travel outfits and accessories, but the most valuable things on your voyage are the memories being made. We also have multiple tote bags for the RV divided into categories. This way Jack not only knows where he can find his toys, but he also has a designated place to put them back once he's done playing. No matter where your adventures may take you, pack the essentials and don't forget the most important thing. Have fun and make wonderful memories with the people you love. I know that's what I'm going to do. Happy travels!